Observation, it have plenty more down there. So this house, as well, if you notice, they have nothing like water around here. So whoever come up, try not to come down, right? And whoever coming up, if you have a big slab of mud on your foot, like all of you on the left there, always stay right there, right? The rest of you who able, come up and let's lift the work. Go back. 2 on 3, straight. 2 on 3, take it out.
Alright, so this is Frederick and family on behalf of the Cyber organization at Trinidad and Tobago. We want to welcome you to your new home. Right, so you just have to follow me. I want to take you around the house. And then we sort of have a look. Right? So, this is the bedroom. One of the bedrooms, right? Right, we have everything. Curtain, wardrobe. Whose room this is? So, see? That's the second bedroom. This is your bedroom. Now to the bedroom. Toothbrush and much. Pretty stuff. Alright, so this is the toilet on the back here, right? Everything is here, the plumbing fittings. Electrical here. Send people to sort the toilet, right? Okay. Kitchen sink, we just move it aside because of the program, right? Assalamualaikum. On behalf of the Sri Cyber organization, we like to welcome Frederick family. Frederick. Firstly, we like to thank you all for allowing us the privilege to serve you all. Just as we're going to say the prayers for the ones who are lucky to be part of this program, don't ever forget that this opportunity to serve is your blessing from God. We're not doing this to get blessing. This is the blessing. The chance to share love with people who need it. And we live in a country which needs as much love as it could possibly get. This house is a hurricane resistant house. You can take a category 4 hurricane. It cannot burn. Although we don't have no time limit. Because we don't want to keep down God, you know. So this house is built with love. Every part of it is infused with love. All you have to do is you keep the love alive in it, and God will guide you back to yourself or back to Him, which is the same thing. Advise the family also.
This is my first time I was invited by V and F. It's amazing to come and see a house in 90 minutes and you know that love, that is sharing, you know that Trinidad today we still have love.
You? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so this is my second experience. The one already part of this. It's really amazing that the way everybody come together and we work together to put this house for the project. My bigger brother is also here. And so on and so on. If I see my son here, they will say son. So the whole generation here.
right? And well, everybody here is family. These ladies are from a ladies group in our village.
Hello everybody, I am from Togo. I'm glad to see, what you all have done here. So I really appreciate it for the family, because I really appreciate for the family because it's amazing, to see how they could come together in unity, because in some of the community don't even have that kind of unity and the love that you all share, so it's a blessing. Thanks.
So say what you.
Well, it's my second time attending one of the house building projects, and as she said, I just think I just be more overwhelmed for myself than the family, because I just feel like, imagine if I was to walk into all of this, how I would feel, so I just feel the same way to them. So it's really nice, the generosity of everyone here.
Well, as Alvin mentioned, I grew up in Padre with most of the people here. And he had been inviting me for some time. Most of the time I was away, but I mean, no excuses, And this morning, come in here and see the outpouring of love from everyone. I mean, doing and getting this house up within 90 minutes is a fantastic achievement.
Alright, so now we'll ask the father of the house.
Well, I thank God for home, dealing with the family. I just shocked to believe how they have their life. For we get our home, for us, we all like take it a living. We will not take I don't want to do what to say. But our home, our family, so thank God for all people helping me for home, for everything. So, and I sick myself. His family really helped me. Thank God for that. And I see no family come to me. And you see, I see myself on street shop, people help me. I'm looking for a home to live in a house and happy some years. And my wife staffing me, trying to help me out. And I was not standing around and she started for me. And she tell me don't stand and she was fighting for it. But thank God for your home. Thank God for our home to live in. I'm sure. And our family. Thank you very much for everything. For helping me for our home. It's very important for my family. So I thank for everything. Thanks.
I'm very thankful for how all you help us, because I'm right in CXC this year. And I will have a place in order for me to focus to work and have a worry about nothing but my parents and stress. And that I'll be happy with my sisters and them doing anything. And I'm very thankful and thank God for it.
Thank you. How old are you? 5 years. You could talk? You wanted to say something? Come on, say something. Tell all these people something. How are you feeling? Feeling good? Which is your room? You have your own room now, no? Which one you like? Nah, you can't get the front one. You can't get that one. You might get the middle one. Yeah. So you're feeling happy you got your own house? Huh? I know. Right? So now you'll be happy that you have a place to call home. Right? So you know who built this house for you? You have no idea, right? You believe in God already? Well, God built this house for you, okay? Right? Nobody is to take credit. Nobody cannot take credit for this. Right? Only God. So remember that all your life. Try to please God. You. Please God. Right? Try to make sure your parents are always happy with your conduct. Right? Always do duty that is yours. And don't ever do duty that is not yours. Until you're married, there's not nobody wife.
it is a privilege to be here. And, you know, we are called to serve. That's why God placed us in, to serve. And seeing God's purpose being accomplished, it is really a great thing. We are to continue doing God's will. We are to continue to serve others because we are placed here to serve. And you know, seeing this love covers everything. So the Bible said that, and seeing this love, we see what love could do. Love put together an entire home. Love put together an entire family. Love brings this unity together. You know, and with unity, there is strength. And it is really, it is, oh my God, there's no words.
My name is Debbie. As my husband said, for the past 7 years, we have been renting. We have been moving from place to place. And as he said, he wanted to sell it, and I told him, no, we're not going to sell it. We're going to believe God. We're going to trust in God that, you know, we're going to get our house by the grace of God. And, you know, as I'm walking through that door there, and it's like seeing everything, and I'm saying, God, you're so amazing. Because to say that, you know, we have been trusting in the Lord for 7 years for our own home, and to see that it come to pass. And I just want to say, on behalf of my family, thank each and every one of you, each and every one who have been participating in this project. Thank you so much on behalf of my family, because we really, truly appreciate you and appreciate what you have done for us. And I thank God, because God is such an awesome God. As I told my husband, you never give up on God, because God never gives up on us. And you know, with God, God is love. You understand? It has nothing to do with religion. It has to do with relationship. Relationship with God and relationship with each and every one of us. And as I said, thank you so much again for what you have done. And God bless each and every one of you for what you have done for us. Thank you.
So we close now. You want to say something? You want to say something? Give you my 5 then? How about the hug? Do you get a hug? Alright. Okay. So we'll close now. We're going to this prayer in Sanskrit, and it's asking God that the love that has come together here, that it goes into the entire universe, and it blesses every single being in all the universe.
He only does it now.